I think a more intermediate example is take something like Slack or Microsoft Word. I think if the organizations allow it, AI could very easily implement features end to end and do a fairly good job for like things that you want to try. You want to add a new like tab in Slack that you want to use, and I think AI will be able to do that pretty well.
Actually, that's a really great example. How far away are we from that?
Like this year.
See, I don't know.
I guess I don't know how bad production code bases are, but I think that within like on the order of low years, a lot of people are going to be pushed to be more of like a designer and product manager, where you have multiple of these agents that can try things for you, and they might take 1 to 2 days to implement a feature or attempt to fix a bug. And you have these dashboards, which I think Slack is actually a good dashboard where your agents will talk to you and you'll then give feedback. But things like I make a website, it's like you want to make a logo that's passable. Like I think these like cohesive design things and this style is going to be very hard for models and deciding on what to add at the next time.
So I hang out with a lot of programmers, and some of them are a little bit on the skeptical side in general. That's just vibe-wise. I just think there's a lot of complexity involved in adding features to complex systems. Like if you look at the browser, Chrome, if I wanted to add a feature, if I wanted to have tabs as opposed to up top, I want them on the left side. Interface, right? I think this is not a next year thing.
One of the Claude releases this year, one of their tests was we give it a piece of software and leave Claude to run to recreate it entirely. And it could already almost rebuild like Slack from scratch, just given the parameters of the software and left in a sandbox environment.
And I think this gets to the point that you mentioned that some people you talk to are skeptical. And I think that's not because the LLM can't do X, Y, Z. It's because people don't want it to do it this way.